So next is the ellipse. So the standard equation of our ellipse is quantity of x minus h squared over b squared plus quantity of y minus k squared over a squared. A squared is equals to 1. So the hk ang hk sa ng ating the h and the k represents the coordinates of the center, and then the a here is the distance. It represents the distance from the center to the vertex, and then the b squared or the b is represents the distance from the center to the co-vertex. Also, we can find our c as c is equals to square root of a squared minus b squared. So the c is the distance. Also, that c is represents the distance of the focus sa center, from the center. Okay, so remember that a is always greater than b. So if we are going to solve the equation of the ellipse, first you need to identify saan naka-pattern na equation, kasi we have the vertical ellipse and the horizontal ellipse, and then their equation is not quite similar, so na differences ilang equation. So you need to identify kung saan naka-pattern na equation. So ang tatandaan nyo lang is kung sino yung pinakamataas na or pinakamalaking denominator, always siya yung a squared. And then from that, you can identify now if your equation is if the equation you will use is the horizontal or the vertical. Also, we have different equation for the ellipse which the vertex at 0, 0. So lagay na lahat dito ang the summarization of the formulas or characteristics of the ellipse.
Okay, so let's have an example. So graph the ellipse given by the equation. Quantity x minus 5 squared over 16 plus quantity y minus 7 squared over 9 is equals to 1. So to graph the ellipse, we have to find the values of this, the a, b, c, center, vertices, co-vertices, and the foci. So remember that we have two different for the ellipse. The ellipse with foci on the x-axis is given to us as x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared is equals to 1, right? So, and the other one is ellipse with foci on the y-axis is given to us as x squared over b squared plus y squared over a squared is equals to 1. So, since our squared, para malaman nyo kung anong equation yung gagamitin nyo, ang lagi nyo lang tatandaan is kung sino ang pinakamalaki dito. So, this is our a squared and b squared. So, 16 is mas malaki siya kaysa kay 9. So, this is our a squared. So, equation that we will going to use is the ellipse with foci on the x-axis given to us as x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared is equals to 1. So, to find the center, diba, this is x minus h, that's y minus k. So, our center is, since it's negative 5, we need to make it as a positive 5. So, change lang yung kanyang, it's either negative. Kung negative to, maging positive. Kung positive, maging negative. So, 5, this is our h, right? This is our h, this is our k. Diba? This is the standard form. So, our h is 5, then our k is 7. So, this is now our center. Then, we need to find the a. So, to find the a squared is 16. Our a squared is equals to 16. Squared natin yung 6a. Per a na lang. So, this is 4. Then, our b squared natin is equals to 9. So, squared lang natin. Squared lang din. So, b is equals to 3. So, our a is 4. And our b is 3 instead of 9. Then, next, we'll find the C. So the formula for finding the C is C is equals to square root of A squared minus B squared. So A squared is equals to 16, then B squared. So 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. So our C is the square root of 7. C is square root of 7. Next is we need to find the vertices. So to find the vertices is given the formula vertices. Formula H plus positive negative A and K. So our vertices is the endpoints of our major axis, right? Okay, so our vertices is the endpoints of our major axis. So H, ano nga yung tawag? Ang ating H is, but this is our center, so this is our H, and this is our K. So our H is 5, then plus our A is 4, 5, K is our 7, so our first V over V1 is equals to, or the vertices 1, K, V sub 1 is 9 and 7. So V sub 2, or this is the second vertex, is 5 minus 4 and 7. So 5 minus 4, 1, then 7. So our B sub 2 is 1 and 7. Okay, so the vertices is 9 and 7. Second one is 1 and 7. Next is the co-vertices. So our co-vertices, next is we need to find the co-vertices. So remember that our co-vertices is the endpoints of our minor axis. So the formula for the co-vertices or co-vertex is, let's say it's CB. The formula is H, K, positive, negative, B. So H, ano nga yung H natin? It is 7. K natin is 5. Our H is 5. Our H is 5. Our K is 7. Plus our B is 3. So 5. 7 plus 3, 10. So this is our CV1, sub 1, or first vertex. Next is 5. K is 7 minus B is 3. 5 minus 7 minus 3 is 4. So our CB sub 2 is 5 and 4. Now, our co-vertices is 5 and 10. And the second one is 5, 4. Next is the foci, or the focus. Since ellipses have two focus, so look at it as the plural. Plural for focus is foci, right? Okay, next. So the formula for our foci is equals to H, positive, negative, C, and A. So what is our H? It's 5. Our C plus square root of 7. K is 7. So 5 plus 5 plus square root of 7 is equals to, is approximately 7. 7.67. This is our first foci, or f sub 1. Then our f sub 2 is 5 minus square root of 7 and 7. So 5 minus square root of 7 is equals to approximately 2.4. So 2.4 and 7. So this is our f sub 2. Okay. The foci is 5 plus square root of 7 and 7. 5 minus square root of 7 and 7. So this is 2.4, 7.6. 5 minus square root of 7 is approximately 2.4. Okay. So now we have all the values. So we can now graph our ellipse. Let's graph the ellipse. So our center is 5 and 7. So 5 and then 7. So here is our center. Next is our vertices. Vertices are the endpoints of our major axis. 9 and 7. 9 and 7 here. Already 1 and 7. Next is 1 and 7 here. And 2. Then our co-vertices are the endpoints of our minor axis is 5 and 10. 5, 10 here. This is our CD1. And then next is 5 and 4. So 4. This is our CD2. Okay, then our foci is 7.6. Here, between 7 and 8. And then 1. And then next is 5 minus square root of 7 and 7. So 5 minus square root of 7 is 2.4. 2 bit I between 2 and 3 and 7. So we have 2. Now, yung ellipse. Pinag-ilagay ang kanyang mga vertices. This is now our ellipse. This is the graph of our ellipse.